boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Right now, people, it is Thursday. You know what it is? It's Soca Thursdays. Soca Thursdays. Soca Thursdays, people. Soca Thursdays. Don't get it twisted. You know the chat already. Don't get it twisted, people. Like out the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We're on the road to 50k subscribers. We can do it. You understand me? Every Thursday we get a Soca reaction. So if that's what you like, subscribe. I'm finna start doing a little bit more because it's starting to get into the Soca season, the carnival season. So a whole heap of new song a drop. But honestly, this is a throwback one. You understand me? I say Machel Montano. Fast one. You understand? We all know this song, but I've never watched the video before. We know the song though. I know the song though. You understand? So let's see what's happening for this video. Let's get 1,000 likes on the video right now. So if you're watching the video right now, smash a like. Subscribe if you're new. Share to your friend. When you're ready, get something on wave. Well, I never get something on wave. Alright then, run tune. Pause. Hold on. Run tune now. Yeah. Monkey pictures. Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago.
Yo, but B. These girls, right, in this fast right challenge.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Yo, only watch this now. Shadow, watch this. You tell me that is real.
That's crazy. That's crazy. No, that is crazy. Hold on.
Yeah.
Nah.
I would have done the same thing, bruh. Go out, but you just double tapped her on Instagram and now she walking past right there. She wants to get chased. She needs to get chased. Alright, let's go.
What feel?
Go ahead.
It's a bike she riding.
Oh!
Oh. Oh, I've never watched this video before. Drop top BMW.
Baby, I've traveled through the stars and many moons to find. Baby, the sugar on your skin.
Man, I travel whole heap of miles. Man, I search for her. Man, lost her, dog. She ride off the RR and gone. Can't find her figure no fast wine. Go on.
The sweetest melanin, yeah. See when you step out into the light and your body looking right. No constellation in the sky could ever take a shine.
Alright then.
I'll travel
Cheers to
a
boom
million
boom.
miles
Cheers to
just
boom boom.
look up on your
Alright then.
smile. Baby, look up to the clouds right now. Say it to me, I will be around for the entire night. See baby, while I'm close, I'll be here by your side. You're doing things to me that I cannot deny.
Hey.
The way you're looking, girl, you are so certified.
Yeah, that.
Put me back one time when you give me that fast wine.
Hey.
Fast wine. Take my boat to the dock side. Anchor down by the bedside. Give me that fast.
Pause. That's how she rolling. That's how she's really moving. That's why she's riding the bike. That's how she going around these streets. That's how she really is. Really now? Is that what you're telling her to me? Is that what you're telling me? Let's go.
Fast wine. Take my boat to the dock side. And anchor down by the bedside.
She is thick. She is. People, look.
Down by the bedside.
She got people. Look. Take a look. Never take off all the glass. Wanna know what I see? Look, you know. Look. Wanna see how that look? Wanna see? Dark. We don't want to see her dark. We want to see her look light. Alright, we can put on back the glass now. I'm rotting. I'll blind myself. Now let's go.
Baby, I see you as a queen. A love that's made for me, yeah.
don't think I'll go through all this struggle for someone I don't even know. No. I would not do that. I can't do that. Like, I can't. That is too much. You don't even know what the poems look like yet. No.
You're doing things to me that I cannot deny. The way you're looking, girl, you are so certified.
Now, where is now?
When you give me that fast wine. Take my boat to the dock side.
There's a party, okay. So the video get nice towards the end. Is that what you're telling me? The video gets more what could I say? More reaction boss type of vibes towards the end. Towards the end? Oh, well, I'm gonna do something like this.
Fast wine. Take my boat to the dock side. And anchor down by the bedside. Give me that fast wine.
Watch out, hey.
Take my boat to the dock side. Anchor down by the bedside. Cut me back one time.
You still looking for her though? Oh, there she goes. He's finally getting that wine you wanted. He get it. Okay.
Take my boat to the dock side. Anchor down by the bedside. Give me that fast wine. Take my boat to the dock side. Anchor down by the bedside. Anchor down on the bedside.
This is why we love soca, man. This what? See, you know that? Okay, he gonna mash that up. He gonna get that boom tonight. Okay.
Time to beat the road. Hey, beat the road. Hey, say, get ready to go. I say it's time to beat the road.
Next song. Anyways, guys, but this is why we love soca. Because we get that fast wine from the females, you understand? Oh, focus right there, what you doing, boy? But we get that fast wine. You understand? The bump and the grind. Anyways, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. You understand? Close with yet another Thursday. You understand me with that soca reaction. Hope you all enjoyed this one. Thanks for checking out the video as usual. I know post every single day, so if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Comment to see your comment next video. I post on the road to 50k, which I need 40k by the end of December to end the year off. We want it to 40k to end this year off. So subscribe. Keep your mother phone, your auntie phone, your brother, sister, uncle phone, everybody phone, and subscribe to the reaction boss channel. Thanks for checking out my video again. Peace.